Haters don't come for the weak. They target the strong, the talented, the kind, the unstoppable. If you've ever been targeted for being different, this ancient wisdom will be your armor. 1. Don't let their hate control your emotions. Haters don't need you to fail. They just want you to break. They want you angry, distracted, restless, because once they get in your head, they win. If you respond with pain or rage, you've handed over your power. The wise stay steady. They don't explain themselves to people who already decided to misunderstand them. Because explaining yourself to a biased person, that's like pouring water into a cracked cup. It's never enough. Instead, respond with calm, purpose, and progress. Let your success be the echo that silences the noise. You live for your mission, not for their opinions. Stay quiet, keep building, and you'll notice they'll either fall away or silently respect you. 2. Keep a respectful distance. There's a reason people say, sit too close to the fire and you'll get burned. Being too close to those who dislike you only fuels more rumors, more drama. So create space, not out of hate, but out of self-respect. Distance doesn't mean being cold, it means choosing peace over proximity. Be polite, be firm, but protect your personal boundaries. Some people come with poison in their pockets. No matter how nice your garden is, they'll find a way to ruin it. So let them stay outside your mental fence. Smile if needed, but keep the gate closed. Your peace isn't up for negotiation. Use hate to see the truth about people. Want to know who truly supports you? Watch them when others hate you. Anyone can be kind when things are easy. But when you're down, when someone's spreading lies or judgment, that's when real faces appear. Haters reveal more than themselves. They uncover who's fake, who's loyal, and who's been waiting to turn on you. So thank the hate. It's a flashlight in the dark. It shows you who deserves to stay in your circle and who needs to go. Don't fight the exposure. Observe it. Learn from it. Because people's reactions to your hardship are more honest than their words during your success. Let hate clean your circle. Let silence keep it clean. 4. Don't let them live rent-free in your mind. If you keep thinking about them, you've already lost. Your thoughts are powerful real estate. Don't lease it to people who don't deserve a second of your peace. Negative energy is like smoke. If you trap it inside, it suffocates you. So let it out. Let it go. They might not even think about you while you're losing sleep over them. That's not just unfair. It's unnecessary. Guard your mental space like your home. Fill it with dreams, people who love you, goals worth chasing, not ghosts of people who never mattered. You can't stop people from throwing stones, but you can stop picking them up and hitting yourself with them. 5. Let time reveal the truth. Sometimes you'll be blamed for things you never did. You'll be misunderstood, judged, lied about. And your first instinct? To explain everything. Clear your name, fight back. But the more you defend, the guiltier you seem. And the people who hate you, they're not listening. They just want the drama. The wise stay still. They don't rush to defend every rumor. They let time do the talking. Because truth always outlives gossip, and integrity always outshines slander. Your job isn't to convince. Your job is to continue. 6. Let your growth be your response. You want revenge? Level up. Grow so much that they have to look up just to criticize you. Haters hate progress. They thrive on stagnation. So the more you evolve, the more irrelevant they become. You don't need to scream, "Look at me now." Let your success speak fluently. Be the proof they were wrong without ever saying a word. Your best clapback is glowing up silently. 7. Focus on who actually matters. The people who love you, the real ones, need your attention more than the ones who hate you. Why waste your light trying to change the minds of those who choose to stay in darkness? You don't owe anyone your energy, and definitely not the people who hope to dim your shine. Focus on your mission, on the people you inspire, on the life you're building. Because in the end, you don't win by defeating your haters. You win by outgrowing them. If this spoke to your soul, hit that follow. Share this with someone who's rising despite the noise. This is your space to grow, to shine, to stay powerful, even when others try to dim you.